So I just found this little thing hiding in my refrigerator, and while it feels delicious, right? It's supposed to depuff or something. And I've got these little fat pockets, right? It's supposed to help those. I don't know. If you have a suggestion, let me know. I'm told that it's fluid from, like, you have to drain the lymph nodes and stuff. So I guess I'll figure that out. I do have a vibration plate, and that helps. It does help. But it helps for other parts of my body, not the face. But I'll figure something out. Red light therapy. Maybe I'll get one of those masks or something. I don't know. When did I become so obsessive? I just washed my face too. Well, this thing is clean, so. But did it do anything? It feels good though. Guess I'll put it back in the fridge. I'll wash it first. But I like it. Okay, well, there you go. There's that.